Now, but let's start with question number 6 of exercise 13.3. This is the slant height and base diameter of a conical tomb. We have a conical tomb. Slant height is 25 meter and base diameter is 14 meter. We have to find cost of whitewashing at the rate of rupees 210 per 100 meter square. So because this is again conical tomb, so we will be finding its curved surface area. What is curved surface area? It is again pi r L. Pi is 22/7. Diameter is 14. So radius will be 7. R is 7 and L is 25. 7 7 cut 55 meter square. So it come out to be 550 meter square. Now we will be finding the cost. Now bache, rupees, this is 100 meter square cost, no? So cost of whitewashing on 100 meter square, it is rupees 210. The cost of whitewashing on 1 meter square will be 210 upon 100. The cost of whitewashing on 550 meter square, it will be 210 upon 100 into 550. 0 cancel with this 0, this cancel with this 0. We will be getting 25 5 the 105, 10, 25 5 the 105 and 10, 1155. It will be rupees 1155. Clear, children? Any doubt? These questions are very simple, beta, very easy. Now come to question number 7. Question number 7 is, the statement is, a joker's cap is in the form of cone. It is in the form of cone with the base radius 7 centimeter and height 24 centimeter. We have to find the area required for making 10 caps. So first of all, let's find L. L is root r square plus h square. Radius is 7. It will be 7 ka square. Height is 24. 24 ka square. 49 plus 576. It come out to be 625. 625 square root is 25. Okay. So L will be 25 centimeter. Let's find curved surface area of one cap. It is pi r L. Pi is 22/7. R is 7 and L is 25. Cut 50 to the 25 to the 50, 555 centimeter square. This is better curved surface area of one cap. And how many caps are there? 10. So let's find area of 10 caps. Curved surface area of one cap is equal to 550 centimeter square. So what will be 10 caps area? It will be 550 into 10, 5500 centimeter square. Clear? Is it clear? Any doubt? Simple question it is also. Now, come to the last question of this exercise, and last question is a bus stop is barricaded from the remaining part of the road by using 50 hollow cones. 50 hollow cones, right? Each cone has diameter. These kind of barricades are there. Each cone has diameter 40 centimeter and height 1 meter, right? And the cost of painting is ₹12 per meter square. And we have to find the cost of painting, okay, of all the cones. Very simple beta. If diameter is 40 centimeter, the radius will be 20 centimeter. 20 centimeter means 20 upon 100 meter. 0, 0 cancel. 2 upon 10 meter. It is 0.2 meter. It is 0.2 meter. Clear? First of all, let's find L. L is root r square plus h square. R is 0.2 का square. H is 1 का square. It is root 1 plus 0.2 multiplied by 0.2, it come out to be 0.04. 0.2 into 0.2. 2 by 10 into 2 by 10. 4 upon 100. So 0.04. Clear? It is root 1.04. Root of 1.04 value is given 1.02. It is given in the book. Clear? So L is 1.02. Let's find curved surface area of one cone. It is pi r L. Pi is 22 by 7. R is 2 by 10. And L is 102 by 100. No need to multiply it. We will multiply in the last. This is curved surface area of one cone. What will be curved surface area of 50 cones? 22 by 7 into 2 by 10 into 102 by 100 into 50. 51 the, 52 the, 2 and 2 cut. When you will solve this, this all will be coming out to be 7 1 the no, it will come out to be 32 centimeter square. Here pi value you will not use 22 by 7. It is given that pi value you will use 314 by 100. This you will use. And this all will, just wait, it is 314 upon 100 into 0.2 into 1.02. It come out to be 0.64 meter square. The curved surface area of 50 cones will be 0.64 into 50. It come out to be 32 meter square. Clear? Is it clear? Now we have to find cost of painting. The cost of painting on 1 meter square is equal to rupees 12. The cost of painting on how much? 32 meter square. It will be 32 into 12. And what answer you will be getting? You will be getting rupees 384. 12 to the 24, 4 to 36 into 38. Very simple question it is. Just you keep in mind what I was doing, the mistake was here I was putting 22 by 7, but in the book it is given that pi value you put 3.14, so you will put 3.14. Nothing I have done. Height was given, radius was given. The radius I have converted into meter. So first you will find L. L is root r square plus h square. 0.2 ka square plus 1 ka square. It come out to be 1 plus 0.04. Root 1.04. In the book it is given root of 1.04 is 1.02. So L is this. And then you will find curved surface area for one cone. It is pi RL. Pi you will put this. Don't ignore. R is 2 by 10. L is this. Multiply, you will be getting this. Curved surface area 1 cone. We will find curved surface area 50 cone. Multiply by 50, we will be getting this. Now cost of painting on 1 meter square is rupees 12. The cost of painting on 32 meter square will be 32 into 12. It come out to be 384. Clear? See this question carefully, and this is very important question also. So after watching this video, you will try this question yourself also. Thank you.